Soft pretzels. Doughy, soft pretzels. That's what's on the menu today. I haven't had a lot of them. Truthfully, my knowledge of pretzels, especially as a kid, were the mini ones that you find in the bag, like a lesser potato chip. I'd always pick the chips. Then I finally had a real one, and I was like, oh, I get it. Pretzels. Hell yeah. Hell yeah. Pretzels originated in Germany. It's a dough that you roll and then you twist into that classic pretzel knot and then you bake it. It's described as a baked bread, which is perfect for me because I'm looking for an introduction into the bread world. The ingredients are pretty simple. Sugar, packet of yeast, this egg, salt, coarse sea salt, and flour. First things first, add some lukewarm water to a bowl. Packet of yeast. We're going with the instant today. And let's give this a good old-fashioned stir. Sugar, salt. Give that a good stir. Add in your flour, roughly a cup at a time. Mix it around. Add another cup. Mixy, mixy, until it's no longer sticky. Poke the dough with our finger. If it bounces back, it means it's ready to knead. Flour your work surface. We're only going to knead this for a couple minutes. Once you've kneaded your dough into a nice round ball, you're going to add it into a bowl. Put a towel over top. I had my oven on the lowest setting possible, just heating up. I turned it off. Now it's just kind of hanging out with a nice dry heat. I'm going to add this bowl into that oven. I need to allow this dough to rise. It's time for the big reveal. And go. Whoa. And we're gonna wanna cut it up into parts. We're gonna roll these up into shape of a rope. Recipe says 20 inches. Now we gotta fold this into its classic pretzel shape. And I have no idea how to do that. Is that? I'm aiming for something like that. Ooh, I like that. Take your dough, put it on the surface. Roll it out until it's 20 inches in diameter, roughly. You take the two tips so that they meet, kiss, and then you do a little loop-de-loo around each other, tangled in love, and then you have them connect the base there. Time to move over there. What we're doing is boiling up a big pot of water, and I'm gonna add half a cup of baking soda. Give that a good whisk. Once you have that water boiling, add a pretzel. Drop it into the pot for 30 seconds. I got a pie dish. Whisk an egg inside here. Take each pretzel, dunk it into the egg wash, and then put it back onto your baking tray with parchment paper. I don't really like that method. I'm gonna use this pastry brush instead. Sprinkle on top our coarse sea salt. Let's throw these into the oven for 10 minutes, 210 degrees Celsius. I don't know if it's common practice with all pretzel recipes, but for the one I'm reading, it suggests to turn this oven onto broiler for additional 5 minutes, I'm assuming, so that the top part of it looks all nice golden color to it. It's a little warm, it's bready, it's doughy, it's a salty treat. It's not a perfect pretzel shape, but it's not terrible. You understand what you're looking at when you see them, right? It's delicious.
Boy, these pretzels are making me thirsty.
Thank you so much for watching this episode. I always appreciate it. If you liked it, you can subscribe, you can comment, you can... What's the other one? You can like. If you do any of those three things, you're letting me know that you want to see more. On top of that, you can follow me on Instagram at AntiChefJamie. I try to post there frequently as well, so you can hop on over there and say hello. I think that's it. Okay, see you soon. Bye.